double uni knot. One line in right hand, one line in left hand. Lay them parallel to each other. Take your right line and make a loop, like so. And then run your tag end through there 4 or 5 times. And take the slack out of it, set it aside. Now, we take our line from our left, loop over top, like so, just repeating the first steps. Run our tag end through 3 or 4 times, 4 or 5 times, sorry. Tighten up on it. Now, we're going to bring these two together. We're going to pull a little bit of each. We're going to stack them up. Pulling on our tag ends, pull them in, tighten them down, pull our tag ends. Teasing any imperfection out of your knot before you finally stack it on top of each other. Just like that there. We'll trim up our tags to show you. You can see here where we trimmed our tag ends. They're locked down. You can use this knot to connect braid to any other type of line. Your leader material, tippet, nylon, fluorocarbon, monofilament. You can use it to connect to braid and to all types of fly lines and backing.